Hello and welcome to Whiteland Restoration's midweek update.
End of week update. It's technically Thursday, so
It's close enough.
it's close enough. We're going to give you a little bit of information as to what's going on. We've been very busy.
What is going on?
What is going on?
What
Hold on.
What is going on?
Look at it. Go round and round. Oh my god.
Is anyone
Oh
getting
my
dizzy
God.
yet?
I am.
Oh my goodness.
We've got
What
much
is
going on. We're getting ready for the first time we're bringing all the cars out.
We're having workshop space crisis. I mean,
Yeah.
it doesn't look like we are, but
we are. Where's the plan? Where's the master plan?
cannot live in a workshop where we do welding, and nor can that.
No. So we need to sort out all the because we have lots of car storage here. We have to sort out all the cars, and we've made a master plan, which I don't know where Lewis has done. It's got all the little figures for the cars on it, and we're going to move
Scale cutouts.
Do you remember the game where you had those tiles and you moved everything around? We're doing that with cars.
Yeah.
Let's go down past the curtain. We'll show you past the curtain. We don't come back here very often.
No, we do not.
Forget about everything.
Yes, we do.
This is where we keep all of our store stuff. It's very messy.
Don't look in there.
Don't look in there. Don't look in there. That's where all the spare parts and
God.
oh my god! Look, hold on,
Oh my
out
God.
of sight, out of
It's a
mind.
proper cave down here.
But we have quite a
Got
few
some cool
cars
stuff.
down here. Cool cars.
Some cool stuff. Who can tell me what that one is?
Yeah.
And who can tell me what that one is? Some people will already know what that
They
is.
already know, I
Who
bet.
can tell me what that one is?
There's some cool cars down here.
And who can tell me what that one is?
Oh my goodness me.
Or that one?
Answers in the comments below.
That one back there, that one you can just about see a silver bit of, is one of only 3 in the country.
I'm really excited to get that one out because I've never seen that one out from underneath there. I mean, I've seen the red one because we pulled the covers back.
Yeah, only the sides of it.
But I've seen the side of it, but I have never seen the silver beauty in the background over there. But everything is coming out. And we're going to rearrange and put everything back to the master plan that we've
Pretty
created.
much. The only car in this section that's not being moved, other than those 2 up there, is this one here, this red one here. There's no need to move it, so it's going to stay there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we might bring it out just to inspect it and then put it back.
Probably not.
So we're rearranging all of it. Look, this is Lewis's engine for the Amazon.
That's my white block.
Oh, won't be long. We'll a couple of years. That'll be.
Yeah, this one here is coming out to the main workshop. If time allows it and budget allows it, we might have a quick stab at it. But
We might, because it doesn't need to be pretty. It's going to be a rat rod.
yes, it's going to be a bit of a rat rod.
So look at this. This is a genuine BMW M3 from an E30 M3 spoiler. If you would like to buy it, get in touch. It's for sale. £350. So come on through. Oh, we've got an E30 dash here as well.
Yeah, we don't talk about that.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
We need the help.
We need it.
We're back in the main workshop. So this
Yeah.
beautiful E30 and the 240 are going to go into the side stores.
Yeah.
Some cars are coming into here. That's staying where it is. No, maybe that's going. We don't know yet. That might be going in the back. This is the new 360. Have you seen this?
Oh no, they haven't seen
They
this.
haven't seen this.
This will come into the channel soon.
Coming to the channel soon. That's going to be moving.
That's very interesting because it's only done 2,800 genuine miles.
Genuine miles. Oh, it's going to be a good project.
Mojo's in there.
Mojo's in there.
This is be potentially the last time you guys will see Mojo because he's going to University, Swansea Institute of Technology, I think.
Yeah.
What are you doing to that car, Mo?
Masking up, getting ready for paint.
He's been painting his MR2. We've been good to him and let him do it. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
It's very cool.
You've been very good to him and let him have a set of custom decals.
Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Anyway, it's looking cool.
He's looking
Camper's there. Well, we got something cool cooking for the camper. Let's go and see that.
yeah, look at this. Look. Most of the paint stripped off that now. But in here, we made a special dip tank out of a trailer and some pond liner and some built Hamburg, what's it called?
Deoxy.
Deoxy, yeah. So this is a rust bath to get rid of the rust out of all the seams of the panels.
And
everything.
every drip of rust will be lifted off of this panel. Funny thing is, it actually took off some of the leftover paint. Yeah, I thought I did a pretty good job of paint stripping. I obviously didn't do the insides of the doors.
But it's debonded it and it's
But
come
it's
off.
debonded it and come off. So that was a bit of a win-win for me.
Yeah. Oh, look at
She's
this.
wet.
I've kept her dry all summer. She goes out for 5 minutes and a downpour gets her. This is coming off the road today. I'm putting it on sawn today.
And the beamers.
And the beamer.
Yeah.
Should we go and have a look at the stores next door? Come on, let's go have a quick look. Now, this is one of our side storage. Stop playing with that Volvo. Oh my goodness. This is our side storage, and now there are cars all the way down to the back. We're going to be pulling out all of these, but we've also got lots of crap.
We've got lots of crap. We're getting rid of a lot of crap, selling stuff, putting it on the local
Facebook Marketplace.
Facebook Marketplace. This amazing motorbike is being relocated to
Another
container
shed,
because
yeah.
it's not really worthy of being kept in the nice stores.
Yeah.
So
But, you know, we're just making the best use of the space that we've got.
this will go further down.
This is going further down.
This one's going to go into the back down there. This is our friend Clayton's Rally 360.
Yeah, I don't know if you can hear Lewis. This is a Rally 360. Obviously, this is just a very quick look. The compressor is on. Hold on. Kill the compressor.
Sorry, yeah, I'm back.
It's fine. We're not going to go all the way down the end.
Just have a quick look at Clayton's Rally 360.
Oh, it is cool, isn't it? It has been on the channel. Excuse the shaky footage, but there we go. Look, this is the Rally 360. Can you see?
Love the two-spoke.
Oh, yeah. Look at all the cool gauges. Look, a Volvo R Sport. There we go. It is. Hello. Woohoo. But no, it is super cool. That's going to be epic. We're not going to go all the way down the back. They can see it when we pull everything out. It's too dark.
Yeah,
it's too dark.
I think so.
Right.
Back to the shed.
Back to the shed. Right, so there we go. We're going to go into more detail. Obviously, we're getting lots of people around. There'll be a lot of to and fro, pushing in.
I think it'd be great to do like a little short on every car that comes out.
Ooh.
And just a quick once over. This is that.
The
This is that.
history
This is how the
right
ashtray
here.
works. This is how the lights work.
Yeah. Click, 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 click.
I think that Lotus back there's got several ashtrays.
It's got a cigarette lighter in the door.
I know, it was part of the time, wasn't it?
It's so cool.
These days, it's a power outlet in the door. I can charge my mobile phone.
Yeah, while I'm holding it, while I'm driving down the road.
Anyway, there has been work done on the Fiesta.
Yeah, the Fiesta.
Yeah, there has been work done on the Fiesta. We bought so many panels.
We just haven't got enough to make a
nearly
full episode
£1,000
yet.
on
panels.
and we've done a chunk of work. It's waiting to be made into a film. There's more work to be done, so the Fiesta's content is coming potentially.
It is coming.
Not sure when. Camper van is very sparse because we're kind of to and fro in.
We're in that no man's land of stripping, finding out what we need, sourcing the best panels. That's where we're at the moment. But everything else has just been busy, busy, busy.
I'm currently editing an E30 video on TuneIn, so that'll be fun.
Stuff. We've also got another car coming in tonight for some work.
Today,
Yeah, it's actually coming in about an hour.
Yeah.
Not going to give you any clues to that.
Super-oobaroo.
No clues at all, I said.
No clues
right,
at
you'll
all.
see that in a future video. But that's about it now. Quick update, keeping you in the loop.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, we'll see you next time, guys.
Ciao.
Ciao.